Welcome to our YouTube video on how to boost your Instagram story. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of promoting your story and Welcome to our YouTube video on how to boost your Instagram story. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of promoting your story and reaching a wider audience. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 3. Open the story that you want to boost. Step 4. At the bottom of the story's image or video, tap on the boost option. Step 5. Select boost from the available options. Step 6. Now, it's time to fill in the details of your ad. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Set a budget that aligns with your advertising goals, and determine the duration of your ad campaign. Step 7. Once you've completed these details, tap on the Go Ahead icon. Step 8. To complete your ad, tap on Create Ad. Keep an eye on your activity feed for notifications regarding your ad's review status, approval or disapproval, and the end of the campaign. Boosted stories will run for the duration you set, even if the active story on your profile expires after 24 hours. You can also use the Boost button for archived and highlighted stories. With these simple steps, you can effectively boost your Instagram story and maximize its impact. Start reaching a larger audience today. Thank you for watching our video on how to boost your Instagram story. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Stay tuned for our next video.